We're working in a fast-paced environment. We rely on our tools every day.
For power, the durability, they just don't give up.
So we work in some extreme conditions. 1 minute it's hammering down the rain, and sometimes it's the blistering heat. We need tools to rely on, and with Milwaukee we get that every time.
So in the marine industry, reliability is key. We're working in remote and isolated locations. The Milwaukee tools that we have on board handle everything the marine environment throws at them.
A normal day in our line of work is very hectic. Milwaukee offers a complete solution, and they're just so reliable.
In rail, we work in some of the harshest environments, 24/7, 365 days a year. A lot of the jobs that we do, we only get one shot at, so we need the best equipment with us at all times.
Basically we do everything in here in the workshop. All the chassis work, axle repairs. Milwaukee tools are essential right through from nut guns, right through to drills, Dremels. We find they last longer, they're more productive, we can get more done. The build quality of Milwaukee tools is fantastic. Absolutely unbelievable performance.
We use power tools on board every day, and we need something that offers power without weighing a ton. Cordless is ideal to minimise the hazards and the risk around the water, enabling us to be more efficient. Working offshore, being away from our suppliers and away from service centres, we're in an industry that requires first class, and with Milwaukee we get that every time.
The battery power, you could just take one battery out of the stores and use it, and you know you've got enough battery power in there to actually do the task. We're an industry that provides precision, and that's why we use Milwaukee tools.
The environment's tough enough without us bringing hazards with us. The Milwaukee stuff's bright, it's red, easily seen, easily detectable. The batteries do it for me. The battery that marries up with our lighting and the impact guns. Yeah, it's a fantastic piece of kit. Our mission statement's to deliver a world-class service, and we need world-class tools.
For every Milwaukee tool that we use, they have the right accessory part that we need for it.
Whether that be blades, drill bits or other consumables. The Milwaukee tools also feel great in your hand and deliver 100% reliability.
It's just really heavy-duty stuff and really, really good to use.
The Milwaukee solutions that we use on site are a great companion for our teams.
We use Milwaukee every day and they never let us down.
Milwaukee offers a complete onboard solution for all our power tool needs.
Milwaukee is absolutely nothing but heavy duty.